K92.7 playing the best R&B and classic soul. Chris Green wrapping up Inspirational Wednesdays. Music from Coco featuring Fantasia, Faith Evans, and Little Mo. That is Endow Me. Got my man in the studio with me, Derek Hayes at DerekHayes.com, and motivation to your mobile with the Daily Derek for today. What's up, man?
First of all, I'd like to say thank you for having me. And like we say each and every week, every day is great in the Peach State.
Yeah, let's get that Daily Derek this Inspirational Wednesday.
The Daily Derek is rooting for Newton. Everyone watched the game the other day, and they think we're just talking about Cam Newton, even though he inspired rooting for Newton. But Newton means networking, empowering wins through others now. See, you can't do it by yourself. Because everyone saw that Oregon was the Ducks and Auburn was the Tigers. At the end of the day, you can't duck a Tennessee State Tiger. So you thought I was going to say Auburn, but I'm from Tennessee State. Rooting for Newton. His name is Cameron, but right now we're going to use Cam. See, in life, you have lights, Cam, and action, and the Cam is create and manifest. See, when you create, things will manifest in your life. So take the ideas that are in your mind, put them on paper, take action, and watch them come to life. The Daily Derek started on paper. Now it's on radio. One day it might be on television. See, I took these ideas out of my mind, put them on paper, and you're listening live, me and Chris Green, as they come to life. Rooting for Newton, because when you can, see, when you put things into life, they turn into fruit, and fruit won't fall too far from your tree. Like fig is a fruit, right? So when you create and manifest, it will start to feed, which is formulate into greatness. So you have Cam Newton, and you also have Fig Newton. And see, I know what you're thinking. Newton has laws, but see, I'm going to give you Newton's laws because those are for motion. But I give you 3 laws for taking action and achieving satisfaction. These 3 laws are found in Matthew 7:7. Ask, seek, and knock. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and ye shall find. Knock, and doors will open for you. So you ask, seek, and knock. It gives you a Newton. A network empowering wins through others now. So you can't do it by yourself, but when you build that network, it would empower wins, it would empower victories, but you do it through others now. That's a network, empowering wins through others now. That's why I'm rooting for Newton. My name is Derek Hayes, and that's my word of encouragement.
Brother, that was a sermon. We gonna have to change the Daily Derek words of encouragement to our weekly sermon in here, bro.
Man, I'm just, hey, when he give you something, man, like I told you earlier, we just start out writing quotes, man, and we're gonna take it there, man, because there's somebody out there that needs to hear it. You know, somebody needs to hear something positive. Take a simple concept like Newton, and then put life into a word, and the word becomes life, and you start living and taking action and receiving satisfaction. That's why I'm rooting
for Newton.
For Newton.
There we go. The Daily Derek of the day. Some words of encouragement, brother. We will do this again next week. Coming with that excitement. We got more on the way for you next time.